Hi everyone. I have been making these quick pen sketches from the past few months. These quick pen sketches not only improves my perfection in portrait making but also gives me confidence to pick up the pen and start doing the thing which every artist wants himself or herself to be capable of doing, which is make the perfect portrait without making mistakes in minimum possible time. Well, in this short tutorial, I will tell you the basic things like where to begin with, what things to be kept in mind while making the portrait, and why the ink pen. In order to make a portrait, you have got only two options to begin, either with the nose or with the eyes. For me, nose is the better option. Your face is almost three times the size of your nose tip to your brow line. So if you make the nose perfect, your face's length won't be a problem anymore. The width of your face at the eyeline is maximum, and it is almost two-thirds of the length of your face. So your nose width is almost equal to the size of your one eye from one end to the other. And remember, your lips are not in the center of the is not in the center of your portion below the nose, but it is actually the lip line lies at the center of the second one third portion of the part below the nose line. So mark the lines and points on the paper and just start. For more details on the proportions, you can watch another video that I have uploaded, but it's not in English language as of now. But I will soon upload a video in English language. So you just mark the points and hold the pen and start doing your thing. After practicing for a few times, trust me, you will get the right proportions. Initially you will be facing problems, but as soon as you draw 5 to 10 or make it 15 portraits, then it will come to you automatically. Your brain will train itself to draw the right strokes in the right place. So the main part of the video is why I'm using a pen. Well, trust me, it's the best thing you can use to practice your drawing. When you pick up the pencil, your mind knows that it can make mistakes because you can erase them and correct them. So it becomes less careful. Your mind becomes less careful. But when you hold a pen in your hands, your brain knows one mistake and it's all ruined. So your brain will make itself more conscious, and you also more conscious about every stroke or line you draw. So next time when you feel like making a quick sketch, don't go for the set of pencils you hold. Instead, pick up a pen and start. Trust me, a few practice sessions and you will be there. So practicing will be all you need. After a few more practice, and then you can see you are making the right strokes. And you know what is the beauty of using the pen? The strokes you make are more visible. So this is just a short tutorial to just let you know that where to begin and how you will gain confidence with pen. Slowly, when you start making portraits with pen, you will become more confident. And after 10 to 15 practice sessions, trust me, your confidence level will definitely rise. And you will find yourself at a new beginning, okay? New achievements you will be making. So keep watching. Thank you for your support, and keep subscribing and liking. Thank you very much.